have been learning English very long time, but still you are not improving. You are juggling. You are feel demotivated, and you don't know how to start learning this language, and you want to start for the beginning. So I have one solution for you. No matter which level you are intermediate level, you are beginner, you are don't know English, कुछ भी नहीं जानते हैं, but you can start. This is a app. It this is a Chat GPT app. Everyone know about this app, but here I am share with you my personal experience. I know you watch lots of video how to use Chat GPT and many other topic, but here I am share with you that how can I am using Chat GPT. So without further delay, let's discuss. If you are beginner, you don't know about anything in English, so you can ask ChatGPT how to I am start learning English. ChatGPT also guide you. If you know little bit English, so you can write paragraph in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, please correct my paragraph. After correcting your paragraph, try to speak loud. And when you will speak loud, that time record yourself in the ChatGPT. And after that, ask ChatGPT, ChatGPT, which type I am making mistake. My pronunciation are good or not. ChatGPT also guide you. It is a totally AI. Don't feel hesitate. And also suggest you some solution for your improvement. It is work like a teacher. So you feel so confident. If you want to talk someone and you don't have partner, so you can talk with ChatGPT. Any topic, which topic you feel comfortable. Even you don't talk fluent and you don't convey your thought, so you can use Hindi and English little bit, thoda Hindi thoda English. Chat GPT understand everything because he also feel emotion, and he try to speak with you in Hindi. Here only one thing is needed, that you are command Chat GPT very good manners. You also mentioned that ChatGPT, I am not speaking very well English, so please try to understand me. After that, you can talk with ChatGPT, even tutti frutti English, and also you ask ChatGPT, please correct me, or how to I am improve myself. If you need to read any story and you have time, then you can ask ChatGPT, please provide me short story, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 lines, 15 lines, how much time you have. Chat GPT also provide me which genre you are like. Chat GPT also provide you. You can watch through the YouTube, but here Chat GPT save your time. One line you can write, Chat GPT provide which genre you like, which how much line you have. And after reading, if you don't understand any word, any structure, so you can ask with ChatGPT. ChatGPT also describe you each every things in detail, which language you want. It is a great thing. I love ChatGPT. I feel that it is a miracle. And we are very fortunate that we are living this era. We can learn anything. So the ChatGPT really. I am still preparing, but I am learning many things for my preparation, how to manage my day, which subject I am preparing more. And even I am improving my skill, learning skill through the Chat GPT. So you can also use. Even you want to improve your vocab, so you can ask Chat GPT that how to improve my vocab. Chat GPT also suggests you. and you feel confused, then you can write in ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT, please frame this word in a structure, and you can practice this structure with ChatGPT. Even sometime you are sitting with the group and discussing something, but you feel bored. That time you can also use ChatGPT. You can chat with ChatGPT any topic, different aspect you can talk, because if you are talk different expect, then you can improve, otherwise it is not possible. I am stuck sometime and my pronunciation is not good. Sometimes I am stuck when I am pronounce any word. My listening and writing, it is a great that time, but my speaking, it is not great. I mistake somewhere. So I am also work, working my pronunciation through the chat GPT. So you can also do same thing. I'm not cut anywhere. You can feel that my pronunciation is not good. I am pronounce wrong word sometimes. I am improving, but I am making here there mistake. So you can also, if you want to listen something good content, so you can also write in that chat gpt that kind of content I want to listen, and chat gpt also provide you. And after listening, if you have any doubt, you can repeat this content. Even you want to do shadowing practice, so you can do shadowing practice with ChatGPT. ChatGPT also guide you which place you are making mistake. Even you are doing mirror practice, everyone suggests you. I am also suggest you shadowing practice and mirror practice for improving English. ChatGPT also help you, not help you. Even every step support you. It is the best supporter for learning anything. I am very happy which day I started using this app. I still now I am very happy for ChatGPT. I know it is AI, but it is a very like useful thing in your life. Every technique you can do through the ChatGPT. So if you have only one app, then you can improve anything. Even confidence is more important for learning English. I know, like many people, people in your life who is who know about very well English, very well grammar, even pronunciation are so good, but he is still not speaking because lack of confidence. If you don't have confidence, then you can't speak. So ChatGPT also support you that how can improve your confidence. So that's why I am suggest you, it is a very great app. And if you are using this app good way, so you are improving more, no matter which level you are. You can use 2050 English with ChatGPT, no one judge you. So if you like my video, so please share and subscribe. Bye bye. Keep smiling and keep learning.